Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all one of my first unboxings of 2022 planner, which is by Factor Notes. Now this is not a sponsored video, but they were kind enough to send me their happy hamper, which is specially made for their 2022 planner, and believe me, I was so excited after I saw their pictures on Instagram. And along with that, they've also sent me 2 bullet journals or journals which can be used as bullet journal, because I know a lot of people do prefer using a bullet journal. However, I'm more of a ready to planner person. So these bullet journals are again quite good. They come in different design. These are the 2 ones that they sent me. I really like this entire artistic vibes that this bullet journal gives. It's dotted, so that is great because you really want notebooks that are dotted for bullet journaling. So in case if you're someone who's looking out to purchase a bullet journal to create their own planner, then you should definitely check out Factor Notes. I'll link all of this in the description box below, and you can also use my code himanishah to get some discount as well, so that will be also linked below. So these were the bullet journal, as I told you, but my main focus was of course the planner. So I'm just gonna quickly share you guys the other one as well. This one is like she believed she could, so she did. And again, very good quality. It's quite sturdy and the paper quality is absolutely perfect. Now let's come to the happy hamper, which is the 2022 planner. Now Factor Notes not only sells the 2022 planners individually, but also in the form of this happy hamper, which is, I think, to die for. So it comes in this complete packaging which has everything that you need to get started with your 2022, which is the upcoming year. And I'm going to be unboxing this together with you guys for the first time. So let's get unboxing. So as soon as I opened, it was all quite well placed, and the first thing that I saw was this 2022 desk calendar, or like a mini calendar. Now it comes with a lot of different interesting items that I haven't really seen before while unboxing any of the planners. So yeah, I'm very excited. So this is the 2022 calendar, which you can of course keep on your desk or dining table or wherever you wish to. Again, it's quite quirky, and it's not really mini also. It's quite of a good size. So I really like that you're getting a tabletop calendar as well. And the quality is so good. The paper is very soft and satinish. It's not like your regular paper. So I really loved the quality of this. And of course, with every different planner that you choose, you get different sorts of combination. So yeah, I chose something very interesting, which of course you'll see in the video. Then you get this entire pack of stickers. This is like 25 sheets of stickers. And this was something that I was very excited for, because I really wanted to open it. Then you get this entire booklet. So it's not even a booklet, it's like a very pretty envelope filled with a lot of greeting cards, postcards, and like birthday cards and all, bookmarks for you to get throughout the year. And after that, we have finally the planner that I chose. This is grow through what you go through. I love the quote, and it's like this entire garden themed, and it was just looking so pretty. I was so happy that I went ahead and chose this one. They have a bunch of different options you can choose from. I'll link the link in the description box so you can check it out. So now I'm going to be going through all of them individually. So first is this 2022 calendar, like I mentioned, and it has all the 12 months and good to place in your desk or in your dining table or somewhere where you just want a quick look or a glance at the 2022 upcoming year, and the quality is absolutely good. Now comes the stickers, which I am so freaking excited for. Now these are a pack of 24 sheets of stickers, and if you want to buy all of these individually, you can, but in the happy hamper you get it. And firstly I thought it may be like stickers of stars and all, but once I opened it, oh my god, I was shocked. I'll be sharing with you all the sheets of stickers in this. And these stickers are very nice quality. These are like the vinyl paper stickers and not like your regular paper stickers. So I really like that fact, and they are so glossy and pretty. So the entire feeling of unboxing this was absolutely beautiful. So once you get rid of the foil paper, not even a foil paper, the plastic covering, you are able to just look. I mean, I really don't want to say anything. I'll just go through all of these sheets individually, and you can see how beautiful these stickers are, and I cannot wait to use them in my regular day-to-day planning. Like, they have everything from your festivals to your outings to, vacation, like you can see over here, from your pampering sessions, exercise, working out, studying, all of these things, even periods, as you can see, all of these are included, and these are probably the most beautiful stickers and quite handmade as well. They have put in a lot of thought in these stickers. So these sheets of stickers also you get along with the happy hamper. So after those stickers, I was quite happy, but actually there was another surprise which I'll show you guys, because there are more stickers coming. So then comes this very pretty envelope which has a bunch of different bookmarks, postcards, and greeting cards. And this is quite unique because not really every other planner company sends you bookmarks and greeting cards for the entire year. So these are the 4 bookmarks that I got, and they're quite pretty, and you guys know I do read, so it's good. And behind every bookmark there's a little quote as well, which I actually realized that moment. So yeah, and then you have a bunch of different greeting cards, and oh my god, the greeting cards are of such good quality and so thoughtful. Like, have an egg birthday, and they have like very pretty phrases written on them, like well done instead of well done, and congrats, and all of these postcards are so freaking pretty. I'll go through all of them individually, and you can see, like, this is a must-have hamper. And of course, I'm going to be sharing with you guys more planners coming on the way. The planner series have now started, so yeah, get excited guys, and just enjoy this postcards, because they are so freaking pretty. I cannot wait to use them. And if you follow me, you guys know I genuinely use these postcards and greeting cards. Even if I'm doing any giveaways, I give out them as well, so I'm very excited to use them. So after those postcards and greeting cards, we have the proper big postcards, which you can also use as posters. And just look at them. They are so freaking pretty and good quality. I must say, they have not at all marked down on quality. The quality is quite good. These are hardstock papers, and the print is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. So yeah, these were the proper posters or postcards, you want to call them, and I am so excited to use them. Now let's come to the main planner, and I'm so excited to rip off the plastic sheet. And as you guys know, I love the quote. Now this one is, I think, the garden design that I've chose, which says grow through what you go through. Now this was what I was talking about. This planner again inside has some free stickers, which I was like, oh my god, like are they talking about the stickers which I already got, or there is more? But actually there is more stickers inside the planner. So even if you buy the planner individually, you'll still get stickers, and the price of this is so affordable. I'll link it down below. I don't even want to tell it to you guys, just check it out. It is very, very affordable because the entire hamper you're getting at such good price, and if you use my code you'll get even more discount, so do check it out. So this is the planner. Of course, the quality I do not have to talk about. I am using the Factor Notes 2021 planner right now, and I must say they have upgraded their quality and a lot of thoughts into their planning as well, the entire planner. So yeah, this is the planner, and now I'll take you through it one by one and share with you guys what are the cool features they have inside this planner. So once you remove the back flap, it basically has entire gist of the planner, like what the 2022 planner has and the freebies that you get with this planner. So once I went ahead to the back pocket and I had to remove the stickers and look at them, they are so pretty. So again, they have the classic, important, remember and all. Then they have like traveling airplanes and pineapples and all of those different things like bulbs and all of that, like for ideas. So they do have some sheets of stickers in the planner as well, which I'm quite happy for, like due, hustle, and I really like the patterns and the different thoughts they've put into these stickers. They are so beautiful and quirky. Now, let me share with you guys the entire planner one by one, like just giving you a brief through what exactly you will see. So, of course, you have the opening page where you write your name. Then you have the page to write your goals. I really like how concise they've made the goal page. Then you have your vision board. You guys know how prettily I decorated my previous vision boards. You must see those videos. Then you have your improvement plan, which again was similarly into their previous planner. And then you have your favorite quotes, days to remember. And I really like the layout that they have gone with. And then you have highlights of 2021. That is interesting. And a little rough plan of how your entire upcoming year is going to go. And this letter to myself was also in the 2021 planner because I do remember. And these are some general questions before you start off the year that you would, want to ask yourself. So this is quite interesting. It's like a deep dive into the positivity and getting to know yourself. And this is interesting because you have a bucket list and an anti-bucket list. So what you don't want and what you want. Then this is an ideal week, like how will your week roughly look like in the year, a complete just through the entire yearly calendar. And then you have the starting month, January. Now their designs or the cover page for each month is beautiful. So this is the layout. I love planners which have monthly layouts and daily layouts as well. So that's why I really like Factor Notes planner. So there's a complete monthly layout. Then you have the entire budget plan. You guys know I love budgeting. So this is great because I'll have a budget plan in my own planner. Your meal plan for the month. Now this is a good thing that they've done because they have provided meal and budget individually for every month, unlike their previous planner. And then they have a mood tracker, which is so pretty. Then they have some tasks to perform, and this is how your daily planning will look like. So on the left hand side you have your individual days, and on the right hand side you have a bunch of different things like sleep tracking, habit tracking, priorities, notes, things to remember. I really like how concise and at the same time you can fit in everything this planner has for their daily planning as well. And then of course you have a closure at the end of the month with like a little quote and a task, and you have monthly reflections, which is a new thing that they have added. So you have wellness trackers for the entire month, and then comes the next month, which is February. So similarly for every single month you have the same monthly layout and the weekly layout, budget plan, meal plan, a little task, mood tracker, sleep tracker, habit tracker. and then you have a new fresh monthly cover page. So I'm going to be sharing with you all each and every cover page of the months, and they are so pretty. Like, I really like, I was very excited for my birthday month, that is June. So yeah, just go through all of these cover pages. Okay, so here comes my birthday month cover page, which is June, which is so pretty. So yeah, all of their cover pages are absolutely beautiful, and you can see. Then here is the last cover page of the year, that is the December month. And then of course the planner doesn't get over. You still have a lot of different things ahead of this. So once you're done with the month of December, there are a lot of different other essentials behind the planner. Like you have your reading list, learning list, then you have your movie watch list. I think they also have a web series watch list, because I remember, they had the same thing in the previous planner. Your travel list. Then there's a professional map, identity card, wish list, want, need list, vacation list, and a bunch of different essential things. And yeah, there's like a packaging list and all. So it's a perfect planner for beginners and people who really like quirky stuff. So yeah, this is the unboxing of one of my first planners for 2022. I hope you guys liked it. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll link everything in the description box below. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.